games that they have beaten the Brazilians. It certainly has been lopsided in favour of Mamelodi Sundowns. 2 changes for Sundowns from the team that beat Remo Stars in the Champions League here last weekend. And the attacking force of Tsepang Moremi and Evidence Mahopa. So we'll start again. Allende back to Williams, and everybody seems to be steaming up front. This is that new rugby-style kickoff that everybody seems to be using. Kana, his first league match since August for Mamelodi Sundowns. Now Hotto, early ball in here from Makopa. Flag stays down, shot goes in over the top of Williams' goal. Well, they've threatened now twice inside the opening 6 minutes. Good bright start here from the Buccaneers. From 8 games, remember they lost their first 2. They've won 6 on the trot in the league and haven't conceded a goal in any of them. Here's Shalolile threatening that record. They'll be a little perturbed, I think, that the fact that he got in between the 2 centre-backs there with quite a bit of space. So going to go Allende, high ball, looking for the touch on from Shalolile. Good defensive header from Siema to clear. Forward for Moremi. Given away, and Santos has a look up. Santos to Sales. Shalolile, what a save! Shalolile again, goal! Peter Shalolile is 5th of the season, number 133. He is cooking with gas.
This is what results in to Silas finding himself. That first touch let him down, but Peter Shalolile, that second invite as well.
On the left foot is second time. This first touch from Sales almost saw the opportunity slip by.
Yeah.
Good save from Chain as well, but Santos had plenty of time to move forward and set the whole thing up.
Yeah, because I can see that he's trying to set himself up. I'm thinking he's going to take a shot.
You don't want to give a goal away from a simple set piece, but we've seen quite a few actually scored this season in the league. In from Apollos, missed by Nduli. Danson! Oh! That is some goal! Left footer from the 20-year-old. Now you know his name. That is some goal. On the full volley as well.
On the full volley. Those comes once in a while for a player of such talent. I don't think he'll ever score such a beautiful goal. I think it caught also Ronald Williams by surprise. The ball was deflected outside the box. You've spoken about not conceding any goal. Such a lousy set piece that was created by Mamelodi Sundowns. But you thinking that they defended that corner kick, he finds himself outside the box with a left footer.
We've got an in stoppage time, maybe the last chance of the game. It's a bit low and it's cleared by Allende, and they were offside the Buccaneers, so Mamelodi Sundowns will not get a chance to get this forward because Mr. Bombiso says that's it for the first half. So your thoughts, Teko, on the opening 45?
Do they find that flow that they need for the game, for them to actually try and create opportunities? If not, they're going to start looking at the bench. But we've seen also with Coach Wadi as well, he's not afraid to close down the game.
Tajela, they're on the march here. Siema against Williams, saved. Now, should he have gone for the far corner, you wonder?
He gets the ball on his halfway line. The pitch should start opening up for him. Look at that 1-2 that he plays with Nemtenjela. Realize that he's onside. Yes, he could have played that ball because of Moremi was still onside, but as a defender, finds himself in that area.
Oh, you've got to go for it.
Yeah.
Williams makes the save. Tolles, play on. Moremi now gets the shot in. Williams makes the save. Header from Bokazi, well over the top, but he had a bit of space in there.
He broke that line very well, and
Nebitso. That's the final whistle. A point apiece. So the gap stays 3 points between Sundowns and Pirates, but the Buccaneers have got 2 points in hand. They will see this as a moral victory.